现在就让我们一起加入客家风情tiď-le客家吧。
Yo, it's time for practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, a phrase we're teaching you is called 没问题
没问题。
没问题. Let's say, you went to the doctor because you were sick and then your colleague or friend is asking, is everything okay? You're like, yeah, everything's okay. No problem anymore. 而不是那个 no problem 那样子 OK? 好，我们就听这样子一个对话好了。
tangὼ礼拜身體冇sungὼsong̃o
已經好gaďdong̃了，先生講沒問題了。
gaďdong̃ hiedď就要hiedď
要 hiedď 就是要休息，对不对？而且你讲2次，是不是在讲说该休息就休息的意思？是不是？
gaďdong̃ hiedď就要hiedď。
Yeah, that's right. When you're sick, you go see the doctor, and when you need rest, you should get your rest, okay? So let's break down the sentence one by one. Like I said, this time the no problem we're teaching you is about how everything is feeling fine with your body now. There's no problem, okay? 所以第一句，听说你上礼拜身体不舒服啊？
tangὼ禮拜。
tangὼ禮拜。
身體冇sungÄ
身體冇sungÄ OK， 身體就是身體不舒服冇sungÄ OK， 不錯，接得很好啊。冇sungÄ means not well. Yeah, I heard last week you were not feeling too well. 那對方說，已經好多了，醫生說沒問題了。I'm feeling better, and the doctor says there's no problem anymore.
已經好gaďdong̃了。
已經好gaďdong̃了。
先生講沒問題了。
先生講沒問題了。先生講就是醫生說了 right?
沒問題了。
we taught this many times. 先生 is actually the doctor. 講 he said or she said 沒問題了，就是沒問題了 no problem because 已經好多了，好gaďdong̃了。That means
好多了
feeling much better. All right, and finally that phrase is a good one. 該休息就要休息。
gaďdong̃ hiedď就要hiedď。
gaďdong̃ hiedď就要hiedď。
對
hiedď就是
休息。
If you need rest, get your rest, all right? All right, let's teach you all these vocabulary. How about 不舒服？
冇sungÄ
冇sungÄ Okay, that means not feeling well. The doctor, 醫生。
先生。
And finally, rest. 休息。hiedď. All right, that is to get some rest. And let's hear the conversation again.
tangὼ禮拜身體冇sungÄsong̃o
已經好gaďdong̃了，先生講冇問題了。
gaďdong̃ hiedď就要hiedď
This month, hopefully everything is well with you. So, 沒問題
沒問題
And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家
和子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.